Hello children, how are you? I hope you all are fine. Now take your science workbook. All of you take science workbook. Open the book children. Take your pencil, sharp the pencil. Take soon. Take your science workbook all of you. Have you take? Have you opened the workbook children? Page number 10. Have you opened page number 10, previous class homework? We are going to check now. Match the columns. Okay? Have you finished your work children? Did you write your homework? Shall we check now? Yes, match the columns D. Column A and column B. The first one, tree. Okay, what is the correct answer? Mango. Mango we get from the mango tree. Yes or no? So, mango is a correct answer. Those who correct, lift your hand. Very good children. We get mango from the tree. Mango beside you have box, no? Yes, you want to write there 1. Those who give numbers, very good. Don't match with any line. Okay, understand? Previous class I said that. Okay. Look at the screen. I have given the answer. You can check your answer. Okay. The first one, tree, mango. Second one, herb. Column B, what is the herb one? What is the correct answer? Mint. What is that? Mint. Those who correct children? Very good. Check your answer all of you. Mint. Second one, mint. Beside you have the box, no? You want to put 2. Third one, shrub. Column B, there is any shrub? Shrub plant is there? Yes. What is that? Jasmine. Very good children. Those who correct? Very good. Check nicely. Last one, jasmine tree. Last box you want to put 3. Okay, fourth one, climber. In this option, what is the climber plant? What is that? Pea. Very good. Pea plant is climber plant. Fourth one. The first one, fourth. Okay, first box you want to put 4. Fifth one, creeper. The creeper plant grow along the ground. What is that? What is the correct answer? Pumpkin. Very good. Third box you want to put 5. Pumpkin. Those who correct children? Very good. Very good children. Those who wrong, you check the answer all of you. Sixth one, water plant. In this option, which is the water plant? Yes, second one, water lily. Second box you want to put 6. Water lily. Okay, shall we read now? Yes, keep your finger and we want to read that. Tree. Say louder. Tree. Mango. Herb. Mint. Shrub. Jasmine. Climber. Pea. Creeper. Pumpkin. Water plant, water lily. Okay. Next we have question and answer. Okay, shall we write now? I have given in the picture, you can see and write E, question and answer. The first one, write 2 differences between climbers and creeper. Yes or no? Climber and creeper. Okay, I have given the picture little big, okay, so then only you can write. Yes or no, children? You can see and write. So I have give little big, okay. You can write in the book, don't write in the note, okay. In the book you have place climber, down you have two A and B lines. Yes or no? And creeper you have A and B two lines. You want to write there. அண்டர்ஸ்டாண்ட். உங்களுக்கு புக்கிலே என்ன கொடுத்துருக்காங்க, லைன் கொடுத்துருக்காங்க. உங்களுக்கு பெருசாக இருக்கணும், பார்த்து எழுதுறதுக்கு பெருசாக இருக்கக்காக மேம் இப்படி பெருசாக கொடுத்துருக்கேன். ஓகே, நவ் யூ கேன் ரைட் இன் த புக், ஒர்க் புக். ஓகே, யூ ஹாவ் பிளேஸ் கிளைம்பர், டவுன் யூ ஹாவ் ஏ அண்ட் பி. கிளைம்பருக்கு கீழே 2 லைன் கொடுத்துருக்காங்க, க்ரீப்பருக்கு நேர கீழே 2 லைன் கொடுத்துருக்காங்க, ஏ அண்ட் பி. யூ வாண்ட் டு ரைட் தர். அண்டர்ஸ்டாண்ட்? ஷால் வி ரைட் நவ்? Okay, start to write, sharp the pencil. Okay, the two difference between climber and creepers. Climber, first one climber. A, climbers need support. Climbers need support. Right, children? CLIMBER. Yes, climbers need, NEED, need support, SUPPORT, support. Say and write all of you. This is very important question, okay. You want to study this and before you have match, no? That all very important, okay. Did you read every day, children? Daily book vasikringla? You must read the book, okay. After finish the class, finish the homework, you want to read the book, then only you are very good. Then you can get more marks in the exam, okay. Okay, write now, write soon. Climbers need support. Next, creeper near A. Creepers grow along the ground. GROW, grow. Along, ALONG, along. The, THE, the. Ground, GROUND, ground. Write fast, write nicely, okay. After write, you want to take a photo and send to me. I will correct it, okay. Write nicely. Next, B, near, under the climbers. Climber under, you want to write B. Climbers have small fruits. Climbers have small fruits or vegetables, okay, small fruits. But creepers have big fruits, so only they grow along the ground, okay. Understand? Climbers have small fruits, CLIMBERS. Climbers have, HAVE, have. Small, SMALL, small fruits. FRUITS, fruits. Next, creeper, B, creepers. Creepers have big fruits. CREEPERS, creepers have, HA. Say and write all of you. Say louder and write. HAVE, have. Big fruits, BIG, big. FRUITS, fruits. Creepers have big fruits. Have you written? Write soon, children. Write nicely. I will check your classwork. Question and answer. Write two difference between climbers and creepers. Climbers need support, but creepers grow along the ground. And climbers have small fruits, but creepers have big fruits. Have you written? Okay, now next page. Next. Children, that same page you have second question, no? Sorry. That same page you have second question. The first question we have finished. Write two different between climbers and creepers. Yes or no? Now the second question. Okay, shall we write second question? What are big plants and small plants? Second question you have now. Shall we write now? Read the question, all of you. What are big plants and small plants? Write two example of each. Shall we write now? Write on the line. Okay, same that book. Book le eludunga. Okay, don't take the note. You want to write in the book. You have 2-3 lines. Yes or no? We can write. Okay, shall we write? Yes, big plants are called trees and small plants are herbs and shrubs. Example, mango tree, rose plant, grass. Shall we write? Start to write, children. Big plants. Big, B-I-G. Big plants. P-L-A-N-T-S. Plants. R-A-R-E-R. Called. C-A-L-L-E-D. Called. Trees. T-R-E-E. Yes. Trees. And A-N-D and small plants. S-M-A L-L-P-L-A-N-T-S. Small plants. R-A-R-E-R. Herbs. H-E-R-B-S. Herbs. And A-N-D and shrubs. S-H-R-U-B-S. Shrubs. Example, mango. E-X. Full stop. Mango. M-A-N-G-O. Mango. Tree. T-R-E-E. Mango tree. Rose plant. Rose plant for shrubs. And grass. R-O-S-E. Rose plant. P-L-A-N-T. Plant. Shrubs. S-H-R-U-B-S. Shrubs. Comma and A-N-D and grass. G-R-A-S. A-double-S, grass, herbs. Okay. Rose plant for shrubs. R-O-S-E, rose, P-L-A-N-T, plant, rose plant for, F-O-R, for shrubs. And G-R-A-S-S, grass, for herbs. Okay, have you written? Write soon, all of you. Write neatly, ma. If there any correction means rub and write, okay? Don't overwriting, okay? Adichu eludakudadu. If you want rub and you want to write again. And more, don't rub more. ரொம்பையும் அழிச்சு அப்படி பேப்பரை கிழிச்சிடாதீங்க. ஓகே, கீப் யுவர் புக் ப்ராப்பர்லி, நீட்லி. I will check your book and note. Keep your books properly. After finish the class, you want to keep in your bag and keep beside. Okay, பத்திரமா வைக்கணும், அங்கங்க போடக்கூடாது. Okay, very good. Okay, shall we go third question? Write the names of different part of a plant. You have, look at the book, all of you, keep your finger. Number 3, write the names of the different parts of a plant. Or plant oda parts. Okay, what are they? Flowers, the first one, flowers, F-L-O-W-E-R-S, flowers. Next, buds, B-U-D-S, buds. Buds means mottu, buds. Next, leaves, L-E-A-V-E-S, leaves. Write fast. Leaves. Next, stem, S-T-E-M, stem. Stem. Next, branches, B-R-A-N-C-H-E-S, branches. B-R-A, say and write, all of you. Say louder and write. B-R-A-N-C-H-E-S, branches. And A-N-D and roots, R-O-O-T-S, roots, R-O-O-T-S, roots. Write soon, all of you. Have you written? Shall we go next? Okay, have you written? Write fast, children. Children, next page, page number 11. Okay, in this page we have previous class homework also. I said that next class I will give that first question, yes or no? Shall we write now? Application based question. Application based question. Okay, A. Why do most of the creeper plants fail to grow straight even with support? எதுக்காக creeper plants வந்து support இருந்துமே மேலே நல்ல climb பண்ணி போகாமல் எதுக்கு கிரவுண்ட்லேயே வளரணும்னு ஆசைப்படுது, எதுக்காக அப்படி நினைக்குதுன்னு கேட்காங்க. அது எதுக்கு அப்படி ஃபெயில் ஆகிடுது அப்படின்னு கேட்குறாங்க. ஓகே, ஷால் வி ரைட்? டு யூ நோ தட் ஆன்சர் சில்ட்ரன்? டு யூ நோ தட் வை தே ஹாவ் ஹெவி வெயிட் ஃப்ரூட்ஸ்? எஸ் ஆர் நோ? அதுக்கு ரொம்ப வெயிட்டான ஜூஸியான ஃப்ரூட்ஸ் இருக்குது. ஸோ அந்த ஃப்ரூட்ஸை எடுத்துகிட்டு அதால் மேலே கிளைம் பண்ணி போக முடியுமா? நோ. ஸோ ஒன்லி தே grow along the ground. Yes or no? Yes. Shall we write now? Yes. Look at the screen. I have given the answer. Look at the screen nicely and write. Okay. Why do most of the creeper plants fail to grow straight even with support? Support irundhu edukkaga adu climb பண்ண மாட்டேக்குன்னு சொல்கிறாங்க. ஓகே, ஆன்சர் இஸ், டேக் த பென்சில் அண்ட் ஸ்டார்ட் டு ரைட். யூ ஹாவ் த 2 லைன். எஸ் ஆர் நோ? 2 லைன் இருக்கா? யூ வாண்ட் டு ரைட் தேர். ஓகே, ஓகே. நவ் creeper plants have heavy weight fruits, so they fail to grow straight even with support. Say and write. Creeper, C-R-E-E-P-E-R, creeper. Plants, P-L-A-N-T-S, plants. Say and write children. Have, H-A-V-E, have. Heavy, H-E-A-V-Y, heavy. Weight, W-E-I-G-H-T, heavy weight. Fruits, F-R-U-I-T-S, heavy weight fruits. So, full stop after so. Yes, so they fail to, T-H-E-Y, they fail, F-A-I-L, fail to grow, T-O-2, grow, G-R-O-W, grow. Straight, S-T-R-A-I-G-H-T, straight. Even, E-V-E-N, even. With support, W-I-T-H, with support, S-U-P-P-O-R-T, support. Creeper plants have heavy weight fruits, so they fail to grow straight even with support. Have you written? Write soon, write nicely children. Write fast. Have you written? Okay, next we have B. Write the names of the labeled part of the plant. Plant kuduthirukanga, we want to write the names. Did you finish this? Very easy one, yes or no? Yes, we know that. So we can finish. Okay, shall we check that? Okay, what is that part? Shall we check? Children, look at the screen and check your answer, all of you. Okay, shall we check? What is the first box? Yes, near you have line. Let's go and touch the bud. What is that? Bud. Did you write? Check the answer, all of you. B-U-D, bud. The first one, bud. Check the spelling, all of you. Second one, that box, touch the fruit. F-R-U-I-T, fruit. F-R-U-I-T, fruit. Check the answer, all of you. Third one, stem. That box, touch the stem. Yes or no? The line. You want to write in the box, stem. Those who correct, children? Very good. Check the spelling. S-T-E-M. Stem. S-T-E-M. Stem. All of you check. Next, flower. Beside you see? Yes, the first one. Beside in the box, flower. Those who correct? Very good. Check the spelling. F-L-O-W-E-R. Flower. F-L-O-W-E-R. Flower. Those who wrong, rub and write. Next one, leaf. Those who correct? Very good. Those who correct? Good. Okay. Those who wrong, check the spelling, all of you. Rub and write. Check the spelling. The last one, root. What is that? Root. Under of the ground. Yes or no? Yes. Root. R-O-O-T. Root. Check the spelling, all of you. Have you checked? Now turn next page. Now page number 12. Previous class homework. Shall we check now? Look at the screen. Children, we want to match with that same shape. Yes or no? அதில் என்ன ஷேப் கொடுத்துருக்காங்களோ அந்த ஷேப்பை அப்படியே நம்ம என்ன செய்யணும், இதில் ட்ரா பண்ணணும். எஸ் ஆர் நோ சில்ட்ரன்? டிட் யூ ஃபினிஷ் திஸ் ஒர்க்? ஓகே, ஷால் வி செக் நவ்? ஓகே, லுக் அட் த ஸ்க்ரீன் அண்ட் செக். த ஃபஸ்ட் ஒன், shrubs. What is that? Shrubs. What is the picture? Yes, rose. Rose picture is a shrub. Yes or no? Column B, is there any shrub plant? What is that? What is the correct answer? Sunflower. What is that? Sunflower. Sunflower also shrubs. So we want to match with the same shape. You want to draw on the sunflower. Okay, I will give beside that say shape. You want to draw on. மேலே நீங்கள் வரீங்க, மேம் சைடில் கொடுத்துருக்குறேன். ஓகே, you want to check. Those who wrong, check your answer, all of you. Okay, those who correct children, you are very, very good. The first one, rose plant, rose flower, match to sunflower. Second one, already we have finished. They two are creeper plant. Yes or no? Creeper plant, fruits and vegetable. Now third one, tree. We get coconut from tree. Yes or no? Yes. And also column B, which one we get the tree? Get from the tree? Mango. So star. Mango and coconut are star. That same shape. You want to draw on. Okay, those who finished? Those who draw correctly? Very good. Okay. Fourth one, pea plant. Pea plant vegetable. Match to, what is that? Grape. What is that? It's same or climber. Grape plant. Okay, grapefruit. What the shape? Rectangle. You want to draw rectangle on the grapes. Grapes க்கு மேலே வரைங்க சுற்றி. Okay, ma'am give beside. பக்கத்தில் கொடுத்துருக்கேன், நீங்கள் மேலே வரைஞ்சிக்கோங்க. ஓகே? Check all of you. The last one, spinach. That is herb. In column B, we have coriander. What is that? That also herb. Spinach and coriander, they are herbs. We want to give circle. Check all of you. Those who wrong, rub and check. Rub and draw once again. Have you finished? Draw soon. Those who wrong, you want to rub and draw once again. The first one, rose flower and sunflower. Second one, pumpkin, bottle gourd. Third one, coconut and mango. They are tree. We get from the tree. Yes or no? Coconut tree and mango tree. The fourth one, pea. We get from the climber plant. So grapes also climber plant. So we want to draw rectangle. And the last one, spinach. They are herbs. So we want to match with coriander leaves. Have you checked, children? Shall we go next? Those who finish, take next page. Now next page, page number 13. Page number 13, look at the page all of you. Next page, okay. First we have hearts question, yes or no? The two question don't write, okay. I will give you, okay. Hearts question first and two, that's not your homework. That's not your homework. Down you see, skill based question. Draw and color the diagram of the following plants. Write the names. Children, they give us two boxes. Yes or no? Rendu box kuduthirukanga. First box we have herb. You want to draw herb plant. Edavadhu herb plant varanji you want to color. Okay? Jolly? Yes or no, children? Okay, you want to draw nicely and color it. I will give you good. Okay? Understand? Herb plant. Okay? And you want to write down name. That name. If you draw any herb plant like mint, otherwise grass, coriander, spinach, anything, any one you draw. After you want to write the name. If you want, you have page number 8 in the book. You have many picture, herb and shrubs. You want to draw. Okay, children, can you do it? Okay, done it. Okay. Next, beside you see there is shrub. There is a box shrub. You want to draw the shrub plant like rose, sunflower plant, hibiscus plant, tulsi plant, anything. Okay, any one you can draw. Okay, and you want to write down. You have name, and one line is there. No, you want to write that name. என்ன plant வரைதீங்களோ அதோட நேம் என்ன செய்யணும் எழுதிரணும். Understand? After draw you color it. Okay, give nice color. Okay, green flower means you give nice color, and fruit means give fruit color. Okay, shrub stem you want to give brown color, but herb plant give that green color stem. Okay, think nicely and draw. Okay, I will check your homework. Okay, children. Now next page. Next page, page number 14. Here also you have two boxes. Yes or no? Yes, you want to draw. What is that? Climber. Okay? Climber plant you want to draw. Okay? Beside you draw any wall, otherwise any one stick and any plant grow like climber. Climb பண்ணி grow பண்ண மாதிரி ஒரு plant வரைங்க and color the picture and write the name. Understand? Climber picture. Okay, you have in the book page number 9. If you want, see and draw. Okay, பார்த்து வரைங்க. உங்களுக்கு page number 9ல bookல இருக்குது climber and creepers. You can see and draw. Okay, and give nice color. Okay, leaf means you want to give green color. Otherwise, don't give for leaf another colors. Okay, blue color like that. That is ugly. Okay, நல்லாவே இருக்காது. So, if you have green color plant, you want to give nice green color, and there is any flower means fruits means you give that colors. Okay, otherwise don't give for leaves yellow color. இலைகளுக்கெல்லாம் yellow color அதுதுன்னு கொடுத்தீங்கன்னா நல்லா இருக்காது. Okay, give perfect color and write the name under. You have one line. Okay, you want to write that plant name. Beside you see creeper. You have a creeper box. You want to draw the creeper plant. Okay, in the page number 9 in your book you have. உங்களுக்கு page number 9ல bookல இருக்குது. வேணா பார்த்து draw பண்ணுங்க creeper. Okay, in the box only you can draw. Okay, draw only. Okay, don't paste any picture. எது பிக்சரை நீங்கள் ஒட்ட வேண்டாம், வரைங்க. ஓகே, நீங்களே வரைங்க, மேம் பார்த்துட்டு உங்களுக்கு குட் போடுவேன். ஓகே, டவுன் யூ வாண்ட் டு ரைட் த நேம் ஆல்சோ. அண்டர்ஸ்டாண்ட்? ஓகே, நவ் செகண்ட் ஒன், complete the flow chart by filling in the names of plants in the empty spaces. Two are done for you. Okay children, down you see we want to fill in the flow chart. நம்ம இந்த flow chart என்ன செய்யணும், fill பண்ண போறோம். In the box we have water lily, cucumber, pea, spinach, banyan, pine and chrysanthemum, lotus, grapevine, pumpkin, hibiscus, mint. Okay, and plants name are there. You want to take and write from this box. Okay, உங்களுக்கு இந்த பாக்ஸில் நிறைய plants name கொடுத்துருக்காங்க. You want to write under. Okay, plant name. First tree. இந்த பாக்ஸில் எதெல்லாம் ட்ரீயோ அந்த பாக்ஸ்லேருந்து எடுத்து இந்த குட்டி குட்டி பாக்ஸில் நீங்கள் எழுதணும். அண்டர்ஸ்டாண்ட் children? Up you have one box now. Inside many plants name are there. You want to write the plant name. Take and write in this. Down you have the flow chart now. You want to write there. உங்களுக்கு கீழே கொடுத்துருக்காங்கல்ல ட்ரீனா, ட்ரீக்கு கீழே 2 பாக்ஸ். அங்கே நீங்கள் என்ன செய்யணும், என்ன ட்ரீலாம் இந்த இதில் இருக்குதோ அதை என்ன பண்ணணும், நீங்கள் இதில் எழுதிடணும். நெக்ஸ்ட்டு ஹெர்பு. ஹெர்புக்கு நம்மளுக்கு மின்த்துன்னு ஒரு ஆப்ஷன் கொடுத்துட்டாங்க. டவுன் வியூ ஹேவ் another one box, another one herb. You search there. Okay, மேலே கொடுத்துருக்கிற பாக்ஸில் தேடி another one herbs you want to write. Next shrubs. You want to write 2 shrubs names from the box. பாக்ஸ்குள்ளே இருந்து தான் எடுக்கணும். Okay, next one climbers and you have one box, another one climber, grapevine they gave. Okay, அதுலேருந்து எடுத்து எழுதிட்டாங்க. Another one climber is there. You want to take and write. Next creepers. You want to write 2 creeper plants from in this box. And water plants. You want to write 2 water plant name from the box. Okay, can you do it? Okay children, finish it. Okay, this is very easy and we can write very jolly. Okay, enjoy and finish the work. Okay, after take the pic and send to me the group. Understand? Okay children, bye.